She was supposed to save babies. Instead, she injected them with poison. The hospital covered it up and babies kept dying. This is the story of a nurse who did not make mistakes. She made murder look like medicine. Welcome back to True Docs Media. Today's story is not about a doctor or a criminal in disguise. It's about a nurse, someone we trust with the most vulnerable lives, our children. Janine Johnson, the pediatric nurse with a chilling smile, was trusted to care for sick infants. But inside that hospital in Texas, she was playing God, and she wanted to watch her victims suffer. Janine Jones was born in Texas in 1950. Her childhood seemed ordinary, but insiders say she always wanted attention and control. She became a licensed vocational nurse and landed a job at Bexar County Medical Center Hospital in San Antonio. But this was not a dream come true for the babies she cared for. It was the beginning of a nightmare. Janine worked in the pediatric ICU, a place already filled with fragile life. But when Janine was on shift, babies who were recovering suddenly crashed. Code blues, alarms, panic. And somehow Janine was always there. Hospital staff started noticing a trend. When Janine was around, babies coded. When she was not, they did not. Still, no one wanted to believe a nurse could be killing babies. Maybe it was a coincidence. Maybe it was just bad luck. Doctors were too proud. Administrators were too scared. But whispers turned into suspicion when nurses found syringes Janine had hidden. They contained drugs like succinylcholine, a powerful paralytic that could stop breathing but disappear quickly from the body. She was questioned and moved to another hospital. That's right, instead of firing her, they transferred her. Here is where it gets chilling. Janine was not trying to cover up her crimes. In fact, she was creating chaos just so she could fix it. She had injected a baby with a poison that would stop their heart, wait for the panic, and then jump in like a hero, CPR, shouting, instruction, pretending to save a life she just tried to take. It was not about money. It was not about revenge. It was about power, control, and attention. They called her an angel of death, but angels don't inject babies with poison. When the hospital finally suspected Janine might be behind the deaths, did they call the police? No, they shredded hundreds of medical records. Why? Because they feared lawsuits. Instead of protecting children, they protected their reputation. Janine moved to another clinic in Caraville, Texas, and almost immediately babies started dying again. In 1982, a 15-month-old girl named Chelsea McClellan was brought in for a minor checkup. Under Janine's care, Chelsea stopped breathing. The mother screamed. Doctor rushed in, but it was too late. An autopsy revealed Chelsea has been injected with a lethal dose of succinylcholine. That was the moment everything changed. Authorities finally stepped in. They arrested Janine Jones. In 1984, Janine was convicted of murder and injury to a child. She was sentenced to 99 years in prison. But here is the twist. Due to old Texas laws, She was eligible for early release after serving just 33 years. The public was furious. So in 2017, prosecutors charged her with 5 more murders based on recovered evidence and witness testimonies. Janani Jones is believed to have killed over 60 babies. Most of their names are lost, their record destroyed. She is still alive today, still in prison, still a reminder of what happens when institutions fail the innocent. And to the day, hospital and patients are left wondering how many other Janani are out there. Thanks for watching True Dogs Media. If this story shocked you, and it should, hit that like button and subscribe for more real crime stories that reveal the terrifying side of trust. You can also check the true crimes on my channel. Thank you.